The Hana Bank Scholarship 2025 was awarded to 60 students of Manipur University today at a function held at MIMS Conference Hall in the Manipur, Imphal. Hana Bank, leading South Korea financial institution to distribute scholarship amounting to 30 lakh rupees along with certificates to the selected students. Addressing the gathering, visiting professor of the Department of Foreign Languages, Professor Hung Kyung Lee, stated that for 2025, the scholarship was awarded to 60 students from the Korean language program as well as other academic programs of the university. She lauded the bank's generous support and expressed confidence that such initiative would further strengthen India-Korea relationship. Among those present at the event were senior-most professor of the Department of Anthropology, Dr. S. Jibon Kumar, president of the Manipur University Teachers Association, Dr. K.S.S. Narayan, head in charge of the Department of Foreign Language, Dr. A. Romita, and CEO of Hana Bank India, Young-Zoo Lee, were present.
This broad representation highlights the inclusive vision of Hana Bank and the diverse academic excellence of our university. On behalf of the Korean language program, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Hana Bank for your vision and generosity. I believe this partnership will inspire our students to continue striving for excellence and to serve as a bridge of friendship and cooperation between India and Korea.